Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to One2Step YouTube channel, and I'm back with another PayPal related video. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can transform your business account into a personal account in PayPal. It's pretty simple, but you need to contact the staff of PayPal to do this because there is no other way you guys can convert your business account into personal account. For converting personal into business, you do not have to contact the staff, but to convert your, business to personal, you need to contact the staff of PayPal. And how you guys can do that is, before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And let's dive right into the video. So the first step is you want to go to paypal.com, which is the official website of PayPal. You want to go to your search engine and search for paypal.com like this. After you search for paypal.com, you need to log in into your account. If you guys have already logged in into your account, it's going to welcome you to this page. But if you haven't, it's going to ask you to log in. So after you log in, what you want to do is you want to scroll down at the bottom and click on where it says contact us. Because we want to contact, PayPal staff. So you want to click on contact us. And once we click on contact us, we can scroll down and click on, where it says call us. So we can call the staff of PayPal so we can communicate with them and, tell them to help us convert our business account into a personal account. But let's say for some reason you do not see this call us button, and the reason behind this is if all their callers are offline, then this call us button is not going to be visible. But if you don't see this call us button, you can use this two option where it says resolution center or ask the community, or you can also directly message them by clicking on message us button over here, and you can message them. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can convert your business account into a personal account. You need to contact their staff, otherwise it's not possible. And the reason behind why you want to convert this is, let's say you work for a corporate and you have PayPal's business account linked with that corporate. And let's say you want to leave the corporate and you want that, PayPal account to be for your personal use. And that's when you want to change it and you want to contact the staff to help them change it. Now you're not the part of the corporate and you don't want your PayPal account to be used by the people of that corporate. So you want to convert it into personal. That's the reason why you want to do that. Or it might be other reasons as well, but mostly it's this reason why you want to convert it. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can do it, and I will see you guys in my next video. If you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.